Hi, my name is Dr. Mitchell Oetken. I'm a practicing orthopedic surgeon here at MUSC. I want to discuss a little bit about my passion for orthopedics and what my individual goals are for you as a patient. I was really drawn into orthopedics because of my experience playing college basketball and also individual family members that were touched and helped by orthopedic surgeons throughout the years. And this just really drew me into wanting to go to this specialty. My goals for patients are to come see what they are passionate about in either sports or life and getting them back into whatever sport or activity they want to do. I really like to focus on total joint arthroplasties, and what that is patients that have been debilitated for years with pain in their joints and unable to do daily activities that they want to do, and using the latest technology such as minimally invasive muscle-sparing robotic anterior total hips and robotic total knees, along with the newest smart implants, which give us individual readings on how well you're doing and how we can better individualize your plan for the best outcome. So this is what I like to achieve with each one of my patients and get to really know you and where we want to go together on getting to the place of activity that you want to get to.